Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what is the bulk mode for on your Whirlpool washing machine. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new Whirlpool washing machine and you see this option called bulky items. What is this particularly useful for? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So once your washing machine is turned on, you could actually twist the dial until it says bulky items. And so what bulky items are good for is that it's good for bedding sheets, think heavy coats, heavy jackets, sleeping bags, maybe some washable rugs. And also is good for pillows and mattress pads. And so I use bulky items more so when it comes to beddings. And basically the features of the bulky cycle is that it makes sure to use more water. So more water is utilized to make sure that the clothes are actually soaked. It's also got a low spin mode so that your washer doesn't like shake back and forth. It also has a longer fill time just because it enhances the cleaning performance and allows the washer to reach the optimal water level for load motion. And it's also suitable for water resistant items. So in my case, I normally use the bulky options mode when it comes to washing blankets, heavy jackets. So I do recommend to use it as well, just because it's going to be great consideration and feature for those types of items. So there you have it, guys. That right there is what is the bulk mode for a Whirlpool washer. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.